True love is one of the most romanticized and, at the same time, mysterious phenomena in human life. There are countless stories, books, films, and songs celebrating its power and magic. But does it really exist? Or is it merely a fabrication, a myth created to add meaning to our lives? This question has sparked debates and philosophical reflections for thousands of years. Some people are convinced that true love exists. They believe in fate, which brings two destined individuals together. This kind of love is often described as a soul-level connection that cannot be broken. It is a feeling that gives strength, support, and inspiration, making both partners better. Evidence of this can be found in the stories of couples who stay together for decades, overcoming all of life's challenges. They say the key to true love is not only strong emotions, but also trust, mutual respect, and a willingness to work on the relationship. However, there is another perspective suggesting that true love is merely an illusion created by society, literature, and mass culture. Romantic notions of an ideal partner often do not align with reality, leading to disappointment. Those who consider love a myth argue that any relationship is the result of mutual effort rather than a magical bond. From their point of view, love is a combination of chemical reactions in the brain that may fade over time, giving way to more grounded feelings such as friendship or habit. The understanding of love is further complicated by the fact that each person invests their own meaning into it. For some, true love is passionate romance. For others, it is deep emotional closeness. Sometimes people expect perfect compatibility from a partner, forgetting that everyone has flaws. These unrealistic expectations can create the impression that true love is a myth, impossible to realize in real life. The modern world also influences the perception of love. Social media, the glorification of idealized relationships, and the constant search for a better partner create the sense that true love is a rare phenomenon. Technology makes dating more accessible, but also promotes a superficial approach to relationships, where real depth and intimacy are replaced by fleeting impressions. Despite all doubts, many people still believe in true love. They find it in small gestures of care, in the ability to understand each other without words, and in the desire to stay close even in the hardest times. Such love is not always perfect. It can be challenging and require much effort. But these difficulties are what make it real because they show that feelings can overcome any test. Thus, true love is both a reality and a myth. It exists for those who are willing to work on their relationships, accept imperfections, and see value in deep emotional closeness. Is it a myth? Perhaps if love is seen as something idealized and magical, but if it is viewed as the result of sincerity, care, and mutual effort, then true love undoubtedly exists. Thank you for watching.